was a time when our 10th standard mark sheet decided our careers. The norm were that if students scoring distinction and above were to opt for science stream. However, today the times are changing. The youth is reaping the benefits of unconventional careers. Let's explore the top 5 emerging careers in India. Top 5 emerging careers. Digital marketing. One of the most popular career options in India is digital marketing. For digital marketing, you can opt for certification courses. You can also try specialization in content market search engine optimization, SEO, pay per click, social media marketing, email marketing, etc. The minimum eligibility they have that you should be a graduate. You can have executive certification courses while working on your existing job. IDE, DMTI, Upgrad, Freelancers Academy, Optron Academy are some companies that offers these courses. The average annual package for a fresher in digital marketing is around 6 lakhs per annum. This is the reason today we are able to see 200% rise in students opting for a career in digital marketing. YouTube as a career. Remember the time when the song The Sode Mein Kaun Tha went viral? Since then, YouTuber musician Yashraj Mukhate became a household name. There are countless other examples. However, you need to acquire certain skills and to practically pull off what you want to offer. You need basic camera and video marketing knowledge. You need to be good at content writing and you need to be a very good presenter. You need to have good editing skills also. You should also have a fair understanding of how YouTube monetization works. If your YouTube channel has many views and subscribers, as a YouTuber, you will start generating income from Google. Graphic designing. The ratio of jobs available for graphic designing to the graphic designers is 10:1. Such is the demand for graphic designing in our country. For this, you need to be creative enough and have a hold on designing softwares like CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. For graphic designers, the scope of designing includes image designing, catalog design, logo design, brochure design, and leaflet design. Apart from jobs, freelancers get an abundant amount of work for graphic design. Physiotherapy. There are many people who want to become doctors but couldn't become due to financial constraints. For such people, physiotherapy is a great alternative. You can opt for it and it will provide you with the same social status with an MBBS degree. Almost all celebrities and athletes today need physiotherapy. You can build a great career catering to them. Physiotherapists are qualified to perform a physical examination and conduct assessment to detect a diagnosis process. As a physiotherapist, one can work in nursing homes, hospitals, health centers, polyclinics, medical colleges, research institutions, or even have their own practice. Training and consulting. Today, schools, colleges, and corporates organize various training sessions for skill development. You can become a soft skill trainer. Soft skill, which include effective communication, active listening, persuasive communication, non-verbal communication, etc. Indian Learning Academy provides one of the best certification courses for becoming a soft skill trainer. In regards to technical skills, it varies from industry to industry. In corporates, apart from the soft skill program, many technical skill development training is also carried out. Depending upon your level of expertise and experience, you can charge fees ranging from Rs 25,000 to Rs 1 lakh per training session. With these career options, you can earn well without feeling stressed out. Tell us your career preferences in the comment section, and for more such videos, follow us.